Shale Kotecha thiete na mbere kwandikithia moimirira mega akihota John Erasmus wa Namibia seti igire kwa noti iria ciuma 7-5 na 6-3 hari ikereka riria rirathie na mbere ria ITF Davis Cup.
It was really tough. I mean, my opponent was a really good player. He had some good strengths, so when he was using them, it was really tough for me to play my game. But I had the support of the crowd. It's our home country, and I was just able to pull through, so I'm really happy. Yeah.
Nake Ismail Changawa akorirwo akihotwo rita ria mbere ni Namibia Jacob Stuki na seti igire gwa gibugu kuhitukira pointi 6-3 na 7-6. Mathako maya marahuthika gwetha timu igire njega iria ikarugamirira gitaru kia Afrika mathako-ini ma ruraya mwaka tuthiete. Kungi murumo wa kana wa ligi ya volleyball guku bururi-ini iranjia muthenya wa ruciu kiharo-ini gia Kamukunji kaunti-ini ya Nyeri.
Mwena-ini wa technical kubanga mubira ona ngirora ni hindi turabanga maundu macio na ni tura expect ati gwikinya muthenya wa ruciu timu ni kwambiria gukinya kuri timu ta KPA igakinya ruciu-ini kuri timu ta Prison Mombasa ona magakinya ruciu-ini koguo mitaratara ya mibango ya maundu mothe no turathie na mbere.
Timu ya rume ya Fegi ya Equity niwe tongoretie murugamo na pointi 12 na Kenya Pipeline mwena wa iretu na pointi 15. Othe mari cemba gutigirira ni mandikithio hotani niguo gutiriha ligi mari ya mbere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathua Mirisho.